Hey guys, Indian just opened a new dealership right here in my town, and today's their grand opening. You want to go check it out? Let's go. It's Fast Lane. Welcome to Fast Lane. Yeah, you heard me correct. Indian just opened a dealer right here in Eugene, and we're heading over there to check it out. Before this, there was only one other dealer in the entire state, and so this is a pretty big deal. They've actually been open for a couple weeks, but this is their official grand opening, and I thought it'd be cool to go over and check it out with you, show you what's going on over there, and you know, be a part of the festivities, because I think it's actually a pretty cool thing. They are supposed to be having demo rides available, but it is raining today, which it does a lot this time of the year here in Oregon. And so I'm not riding over there today. It's kind of across town, and the Scout's really clean, and I just didn't want to ride in the rain. I don't do that on the Scout. You know that. We've talked. I did go ahead and bring a helmet. I brought a jacket and some gloves, and if they give me the chance, I am going to jump on a couple bikes, hopefully. So let's head over to Springfield and check it out. All right, guys, as you can see, I'm here. Now, I know that says Harley-Davidson on it right there, Willamette Valley Harley-Davidson, but actually, right over here behind me, they just opened an Indian dealer. All right, guys, so I am here at Willamette Valley Harley-Davidson, right there, / Indian, right there, which I think is actually pretty cool because Willamette Valley used to just be a Harley dealer exclusively, It's here in basically Springfield, Oregon. It's right off I-5 here in the Willamette Valley. And one thing I think is actually really, really cool is they had a great Harley dealership here. I've played here with my band. I actually love these guys over here. They're great right there at the Harley side. And then they brought in Royal Enfield, and then now they got Indian. All right, guys, so that was pretty much the grand opening of the Indian dealership here in Springfield, Eugene, Oregon. Very cool, really dug it. Great people over here. Willamette Valley, Harley-Davidson, Royal Enfield, and now Indian. So if you're in the Willamette Valley and you're trying to find a dealer that sells Indian, services Indian, they got full-on factory techs here. Come on over, check them out. Highly recommend them. Really cool, really nice people. You're going to enjoy talking to them. Come on over, set up a test ride, man. Get out and ride one of these Indians. You're absolutely going to love it. I guarantee it. It's Fastlane.